kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute little horse. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw the head, including the cute ears on top. Then draw the fluffy hair on the head. Now continue with the chubby body. Add 4 short legs with small hooves. Draw the fluffy mane on the up body. Don't forget the long tail at the back. Finally, add some grass around to make it look nice. Now it's time to color. Color the body with light brown. Brown for the mane, tail, and hooves. Use cream or beige for the face and belly. You can also add a little darker shading to make it look more lively. And done! Your cute horse is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you